Here I am Jenny Patel. So today I will discuss about MHF4U Unit 4 Mid-Unit Assignment. So question first is, a regular motion of the earth about the sun causes the daily change in the high temperature at any location on earth. The chart and the graph show the average daily high temperature in degrees Celsius for each month in Yellowknife and WT compete for several years. Determine the trigonometric equation that models this information. Yet, let y be the temperature in degrees Celsius and x be the numerical value of the month. So here graph is given. This is our graph. So solution is, we know the trigonometric equation is y is equal to a sine k x minus d plus c, where A is amplitude and amplitude is equal to maximum temperature minus minimum temperature divided by 2. So maximum temperature given is 21 and minimum temperature is minus 24 and divided by 2. So we will get amplitude is equal to 22.5. K is given by 2 pi by period, where period is equal to 12 months. So K is equal to pi by 6. From the graph, we can see that minus 24 is lowest point and also lowest value of sine is equal to 3 pi by 2. So here is our graph. Here we can see this. This is lowest point, which is minus 24. So by this we can find our value of D. So D is equal to minus 8. C given by maximum temperature plus minimum temperature divided by 2. So maximum temperature we already know 21 and minimum is minus 24. So divided by 2 we get C is equal to minus 1.5. Now putting all values of A, C, K and D, we get our trigonometric equation, which is y is equal to 22.5 sine pi by 6 x plus 8 minus 1.5. Our next question is, a ferric wheel has a diameter of 10 meter and takes 24 seconds to make one revolution. The lowest point on the wheel is 1 meter above the ground. So here given diameter, so radius would be 5 meter and 24 seconds takes for complete one revolution. And in that question, second A is, sketch a graph to show how a rider's height above the ground varies with time as the ferric wheel makes a rotation. Assume the person starts the ride at the lowest point on the wheel. So we know trigonometric equation and the amplitude. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 6 seconds, C is equal to 6 meter and K is pi by 12. And we can take point on graph where T is 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30 and height is 6, 11, 6, 1 and 6. So here our graph. Taking all points here on graph, so our graph would be like this. It is time versus height graph. Now question B, second B is, write a trigonometric equation that describes the graph. So we all know these all value. So we can easily put these all value in trigonometric equation. So we will get y is equal to 5 sine pi by 12 t minus 6 plus 6. Now second C question is, check the accuracy of your equation by using t is equal to 12 seconds. Explain why this provide a check of the accuracy of the equation. What are two more values that would provide a good check? So answer of this question is, as we know that t is given 12 seconds. So now putting this equation, putting t value in equation, we get y is equal to 5 sine pi by 12, 12 minus 6 plus 6. And here we know sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. So value of y is equal to 11 meter. 12 seconds is a half of the time taken for complete one revolution. So at 12 seconds, rider will be at highest point, which is 11 meter. So we can check accuracy by this. Also at 0 second, we can check accuracy because at this time rider is at initial point, which is 1 meter above the ground. And also at 24 second, we can check accuracy because at this point rider completed one revolution and comes to at initial point, which is again 1 meter above the ground. Now third question. The height of the tide in a Bay of Fundy relative to pair varies from a low of 4.5 meter at time to 8 to the high of 17.3 meter at 821 time. Assume that the height of the tide can be modeled as a cosine function of the time of day, and then determine the equation in the form h of t is equal to a cos k t minus d plus c. So equation is given, and at time 28 height of the tide is 4.5 meter, and at time 821 height of the tide is 17.3 meter. So equation also given. A is amplitude, which is maximum height minus minimum height divided by 2, so we get 6.4. C is minimum height plus maximum height divided by 2, and we get C is equal to 10.9. D is equal to 8.35, and K is 2 pi by period. So period can be given by 2 into 6.22. So period is 12.44. Now substituting the period in formula of K, we get K. So K is equal to 0.505. Now we all know the value of A, K, D and every. So we can substitute this all value in trigonometric equation. We get h of t is equal to minus 6.4 cos 0.505 t minus 8.35 plus 10 plus 9. Now question third C is, a boat need a depth of at least 12 meter to dock at the pier. Use a graphical approach to determine when the boat is able to dock and when it must leave. So h is given 12 meter. So now putting all values in equation, we get 12 is equal to 6.4 cos 0.505 t minus 8.35 plus 10.9. So we get t is equal to 11.07 hours, and graph would be like here. This is our initial point where boat will start, and here it will end, and again from this point our boat will start. So this would be our graph. Thank you.